Hello dear students, welcome back again to Chinmoyee's YouTube channel. So this is the third and the final part of the allergies lesson. So we have already discussed about the first two episodes. We have already discussed about the entry routes of allergens, what are allergens, what is allergy, types of allergy, how an allergic reaction is happening, the symptoms of allergies and some common types of allergies we have already discussed. So if you have not yet gone through the previous episodes of allergy, please go through the first part and the second part. I am putting the link down in the description box as well as in the I link above so that you can get to know the previous two lessons, and this is the continuation of the previous lesson. So please go through them and then start with the new episode, that how can allergies be prevented. So let us see what is there in store for us today. Now, what are the learning objectives of today's lesson? So, by the end of this lesson, we'll be knowing how the allergy diagnosis is done, what is the prevention and care of allergy, and what is the treatment of allergy. So, these three are very important thing we need to know today. So, please do subscribe to my channel to know more regarding not only this lesson but also other lessons which are there as per your syllabus, as per your curriculum, which I'll be teaching you in this Chinmoyee's biology channel. So stay tuned, stay subscribed to my channel, and please do share it with your friends so that you keep on getting the updates whenever I'm posting. So let us start with today's episode. Now, how the diagnosis of allergy is done? So, an allergy can be diagnosed by a doctor who is an allergist. It's a doctor who is diagnosing allergies called an allergist. So, what are the three tests by which allergy is diagnosed? The first one is the skin test, second one is the scratch test, and the third one is the blood test. Okay, is it clear? So, it is the test for allergy for the pollen grains or dust or food, or we can say that insect stings. So how can this test be performed? This test is actually performed by pricking the skin. So you have taken a needle. On the top of the needle you have put the allergen. Suppose you have taken pollen on the grains on the top of the needle. You are just pricking the skin with this allergen, small amount of allergen. So if the skin is sensitive to this allergen, it will instantly react to this allergen and it becomes red, and it means that you are allergic to that particular allergen. Now at times the allergens, they don't work in the first time. So for the second time you take a fine needle and you have to inject that allergen into the body. As soon as you inject that allergen, if the skin is becoming red, it is becoming the inflammation is there, then the skin is positive for the test. So it is allergic to that certain pollen grain. Okay, is it clear? Now we take the second test, or the scratch test. What is done in scratch test? The skin is scratched in rows with an allergen. So if you are taking, suppose you are taking a pollen only, we can say with that allergen you are scratching the skin. Okay, so if the skin becomes red and swells, that means the person is allergic to that allergen. So second test is done, scratch test. Now the third test comes, that is the blood test. So the blood is drawn with the help of a syringe from the body, and it is sent to the labs to measure what? To measure the concentration of specific immunoglobulin E. So immunoglobulin E, or IgE, we call it IgE, immunoglobulin E, IgE. So these are antibodies for a certain allergen in the blood. Okay, so is it clear? So these are antibodies for a certain allergen in the blood. So these are antibodies. So for this only immunoglobulin E test is done. So when they are being taken to the lab, and if we are seeing that higher amount of immunoglobulin E antibody value is there, there are greater chances of allergic reaction. So if IgE value is more, so there are greater chances of allergic reaction. If it is less, then there is less chances of allergic reaction. So greater chances of allergic reaction will be there. Is it clear? So how, like this only the blood test. So multiple allergens can be detected with a single blood sample only. We can say that if the immunoglobulin E is higher, there are higher chances of allergic reactions. Okay, so is it clear? Now, how can we prevent and take care of allergies? Actually, no drugs or treatments are available for food allergies. We need to just avoid the food which makes allergic reaction. So, if you are allergic to milk, you need to stop milk. If you are allergic to egg, you are stopping egg. If you are allergic to certain nuts, peanuts and all, so just stop taking those nuts. If you are allergic to certain what we can say, wheat or gluten. You should stop that. So we should always eat fresh fruits and vegetables, which improves the immunity and develops the resistance against allergens. Okay, we should wear full sleeved clothes and closed shoes to prevent ourselves from insect bites, so that insect allergy doesn't happen in our body. We should apply insect repellent cream when traveling outdoors. We should learn the names of medicines. If you are having any medicinal allergy, we should just know the name of the medicines you are allergic to, and remember both the generic and the brand names of medicine. We should educate our family and friends about our allergies, and we should always wear a mask and cover our nose while traveling. If you are allergic to pollen, dust and all, you should avoid you can avoid dusty places, but while you are traveling you can't avoid that, right? So you should cover your nose or mouth with a proper mask. Now, what are the treatments of allergies? Once the exact cause of allergy is discovered, the first line of treatment involves them. So, some allergens cannot be avoided in case of seasonal pollen allergy and all. This will happen. So, pollen is in the air. You can't stop the air from entering you can stop the air from entering your house, but you cannot stop the air to carry the pollen whenever you are outside. So, it's better you cover your nose with mask so that you can avoid the pollen being entering your nose. Okay, so this is one preventive thing. So it's not a treatment, it's just a prevention. In such cases, medication is required. If the seasonal pollen allergy is bothering you, they will give you some inhalers, some anti-allergic drugs which can prevent this continuous runny nose, sneezing and all, right? So medication in the treatment of common allergies are antihistamines. I have told you in the previous classes also, antihistamines are drugs which are preventing the cells which are producing histamines to not to produce histamines. So these are antihistamines. So the production of histamines is either stopped or reduced. Now, in case of congestion, respiratory tract blockage, or when the respiratory tract becomes narrower due to these allergies, then decongestants are given. So congestion is relieved, decongestants are given, and the person is able to breathe properly. Now, bronchodilators are also given and steroids are given. So they are given in the form of inhalers. So bronchodilators and steroids are given, and if you are having allergy to throughout your body, because allergy is very painful, it causes a burning sensation, a itching sensation in your body, and the place becomes red and hot. So some soothing creams and lotions are given for the treatment of allergy. Okay, is it clear? So this is all for today's lesson. It was a very small lesson. Only treatment, prevention and care of allergy is told in this class, and we have also discussed about the diagnosis of allergy. So in the next episode, we will be back with your nervous system. So stay tuned, stay updated with all my lessons. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to write your comments in the comment box. If you're having any queries, any doubts, please write to me so that I can clear up in the next episode. So it is all for today. So I've completed the full allergy lesson in 3 episodes. Please do go through each and every episode, and don't forget or skip any one of these lessons, so that you can get a clear idea of the full allergy lesson. So thanks everyone for joining this class, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.